Good day, I'm Marjorie Camaso from Bachelor of Elementary Education, and here, this is my dated lesson plan in teaching mathematics and primary grades with the topic of symmetry. So I will start. Okay, class, before you sit, please pick up of some pieces of the paper in your underchair. Okay, take your seat. Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's us all stand and let's us pray. In Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, class, how are you today? Okay, who is the absent today? Okay, none? Okay, very good. Please pass all your assignment that I gave yesterday. Okay, thank you. Please don't take your segment, class, okay? If you don't understand our topic very well, you are free to some question to me, okay? And now, for energizing, let's is watching the video.
Hi kids! Let's shake our body! Come on, dance to the tune! Workout is a boon! We are healthy soon! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. March, march, march. Let us all march. March, march, march. Get your body charged.
Okay, give it applause, okay? Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a review or recap from our past lesson in geometry. Very good. Okay, do you know what the meaning of geometry? Okay, class? Recognize to draw shape having a specified attribute such as a given number of angles or a given number of equal pieces. Okay. Now, geometry is the arithmetic, one of the oldest branches of mathematics. It is concerned with the properties of space that are related with distance, shape, size, and related position of figures. Okay. And now I will show a picture. This. Okay. So class, what do you see in the picture? Two. The child creates shape, size, and related position of figure. Okay, very good. They need to learn to frame shape lines which they are young and learning what? Symmetry. Okay. The next is this coming and reassuring is also shown to the other students. Okay. And now, what do you the children picture indicate? Okay. It is indicate here that to arrange shape and create a something. Why do they do first before making the balance of size and shape? Okay. So that they know where they are going to activity. So create balance, and the balance in this design create harmony, order, and aesthetically pleasing results. And now let's move on. So for the concept number 1 here, okay, the question number 1 is, what do you first before making a balance of size and shape? So study how to do it is that know what will do to do it. Okay. For number 2, what are the tools for cutting or making a fold a figure to obtain the symmetrical halves and hold the line of symmetry? Okay, have equipment such as scissor, pencil, and roller. Then number 3, how do you show heart shape balance? Okay, well, start by drawing shapes and we'll use balance measurement. Okay, as a student and what you way can you make different shape things each the line or dimension? So, correct and adjust the line or shape for what we'll do so that can do it and desirable. Okay. The concept number 2 here for group activity. For the group 1, what are lines of symmetry and shape? So, give some idea. For group 2, does a design have to be exactly the same of each side to be balanced? So, this is an example of symmetry. Okay. Write your answer in the Manila paper and give idea importance. So, here the answer. Okay. To formative assessment. Okay. Write R if the description of the sentence is desirable, and write the W if the description of the sentence is undesirable. So, for the number 1, as a student, I learned how to make a 1/2 each shape so that I would balance size. So, right or wrong? Okay, right. And the number 2, my teacher teach us a lot so that we get what we are learning right. Okay, is that right? For number 3, Anna, my friend, has difficulty understanding. So I helped and demonstrated that what I learned and out class. Okay, is that right? For number 4, I had a classmate named Justin. He had no appetite for the activity. So, was doing. Someone noticed shouted at it. So, this is a wrong. For the last, attend to help my classmate and with tasks, and it is one who shared with them all the lesson I have learned. Okay, is that right? So the next, okay, every line and shape we just have to learn and study because of the ideas that we found out. It can be seen in our places or environment. So it's just a window, for example. It is a rectangle or DR also have. Okay. So, as a student, why do we need to learn about symmetry just so different every line and shape we wish to know? Okay, as a student, now we are more likely to learn the different things like see in the environment so that by now we know what a things or type it is. Okay. So class, how can you demonstrate or put into practice the learning and our lessons about what is done to balance each shape? Okay, can show by the what have learned that bring you the teaching of each of our lesson. Okay, then class, what we discussed today about hope and caring for symmetry to understand and learn, defined as a balance and proper and proportionate similarity that is found in two halves of one object. Okay. And what do you give it hope and learning in the symmetry lesson? In the way we study it, what we know about symmetry can be shared and demonstrated. Okay, very good. Let's move to evaluation learning. Okay, for instructions. Check if each instruction correct and cross if each instruction is incorrect. Okay, so 1 to 10. Okay, for the last, additional activities. Okay, or homework that called. So, write in the notebook, why do you think it is important for us to learn in symmetry? Just like balancing object or shape line. Okay. Okay, now class. Okay. Now, before I end the class, what you have learned our lesson today? 2 about concerned properties of space that related with distance, shape, size, and related position of figure. Okay, thank you. Thank you and God bless all.